Well, hello friends. I am Charlotte with Charlotte O Ministries and ReverendCharlotte.com. Thank you for joining me once again today. So I'm going to start off by asking you guys a question. Did you know that there are promises of the natural world mentioned in the Bible? Yes, the natural world. Stick right here with me in the short presentation and I'll share one or two of these with you. So for people like me who garden or farm, some of us depend on God's beautiful moon to determine when to plant our root vegetables. This method of planting has been around for eons. This year alone, we experience the need and desire for food safety more than ever, right? So getting the most out of our planting season is so vital right now. So Paul's appeal to the men of Athens said this: the God who made the world and everything in it is the Lord of heaven and earth, and does not live in temples built by human hands. And he is not served by human hands as if he needed anything. Rather, though, he himself gives everyone life and breath and everything else. From one man he made all the nations, that they should inhabit the whole earth. And he marked out their appointed times in history and the boundaries of their lands. Lots to think about there. So this truth plainly says that God is the creator of nature and every divine intervention. In this fact lays the promise that he is the provider of abundance. All good things that come to us in every season is from God. You know, I think now of some people who refuse to name God as God, but prefer to call him the universe. But I say, you cannot get away from God by using the universe to refer to him. You just can't. That's pretty silly. Why, you ask? Here's why. So who created the universe we live on? Who gave us water and food? Who provides every material for our clothing, shelter, the pots and pans that make our food? God is universally divine, and the universe is not God. It can never be God. Nothing can be God if God created everything. Calling the universe God is a blatant form of idolatry. The universe cannot answer prayers or guide us. It has no bearing on kingdom entry, and it did not send its Son to save us. It is a mass without a soul. God's soul is grace and kindness. He is the creator and controller of the sea. All forms of sustenance comes from the sea, right? He is the creator and controller of the sky. Sunlight to germinate the seeds, rain to cleanse the land, and clouds for shade. He is the creator and controller of the earth, a place we inhabit, which provides us food, minerals, and substance to offer us with good, healthy foods. The bees for sweet honey, a place to grow healthy fruits and vegetables, where we walk, bike, drive, run, ski, and climb. So much more. Nature, guys, is completely dependent on God, just as the universe offers itself to us under the leadings of God. God leads the universe. The universe can never lead God or be God. As his servant, nature waits for the master. We should wait for the master. When we read Job 37:41, his description of God's wonders and presence over the natural world is remarkable and so profound. Friends, just as nature is not its own support, neither are us. Nature waits for God, and it's time we start doing the same. I mean, who guides the sun to rise every morning at the most perfect time? Thus the need to manipulate the time change in every season we just went through this weekend. It doesn't matter how hard we try. The sun rises when God tells it to. Nothing of nature originates itself. Nothing. Nature must wait to receive from God. Agreed? Well, join the conversation below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your comments on this topic. Friends, all good things around us are sent from heaven above. We must be thankful at all times, not just during the month of November, this month. As in the parable of the prodigal son, whose hunger led him home to his father. In our own thankfulness of God's abundance, we too return home to our Father. God is our sufficiency. He is. Look at these beautiful flowers. He provided these for me today. If you find this video useful, and if you've enjoyed it, then you'll probably want to, you'll probably also like some of the other videos I've done on promises of the Bible. They're available on my channel in related topics. If you click on the screen right now, you can watch one of these two. And by subscribing and clicking the little bell, you'll be notified when I upload a video. And that's usually about once or twice a week. I'm trying to add some recipes in here too. Hopefully I'll have some time to do more of those. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. As I always say to you guys, be kind to the earth, a beautiful gift from God. And remember, be peace, be love, guys, be joy, and be a blessing to everyone you meet. Take care, my friends, and goodbye for now. I'll see you guys soon. All right? Take care. Bye-bye.